Really quick, guys, in the beginning of this video, I do want to say, first off, what is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fabulous today. Yes, this is going to be the wheel and tire reveal video of the Nasty Red. I've actually already done the whole entire video, but we're going to start this off in the beginning because I need to say sorry. I did it again. Whenever I try to film 2 videos in one day and I only edit one and I don't do the next one, I always swipe my card clean and I delete all the footage that I had actually gotten for the next video. And yeah, did it again, which kind of sucks. What I did for this video was I took the wheels and tires off of the first gen and I put the first gen's wheels back on it, and then we got to the Nasty Red, which is right there. So I'm not going to show you that truck right now. You're going to see it later in the video, but I do want to apologize because I had like 5 minutes of other content that I was supposed to have for you guys, but I accidentally swiped the card and deleted it all, and kind of sucks. But hope you enjoy what I did get for you guys. If you do not forget to leave that like down below. It really helps, and I really appreciate it with all the hours put into this content. You guys have no idea how much it means to me to actually see a thumbs up on the video. So thank you guys so much. Enjoy the video. Clutch in, quarter throttle. Smoky. Good morning / evening. I don't know what, obviously it's morning for me. It's probably gonna be evening for you tonight when you see this, but hope you guys are doing great. It's the next day. I was trying to do the wheel and tire install yesterday, which is the same day I filmed around the flatbed and stuff. However, good thing I attempted to do it yesterday because the lug nuts that come on that truck with the factory wheel and tire setup will not work with aftermarket wheels like the Fuel Maverick. So I'm actually headed up to, I think I'm not even going to say the name of the company because I kind of forgot. But anyways, it's going to be, I don't know, 10-15 minutes away. They have a lug nut kit for that truck, which is a 32 lug kit. So we're going to go up there and get those actually locking lugs so that, you know, people aren't stealing your wheels. And then we're going to come back and finish the install. Small kind of hiccup, but you know, not a big deal. So we're going to go grab those. We'll be back here. And Nasty Road is about to look sick. I've shown my dad a picture because I took off one of the rear factory wheels and put the Fuel Maverick on, and it like stood out even past the flatbed just a little bit, and I was like, oh my gosh, those look so freaking good. So anyways, guys, cannot wait to show you what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look so sick. But we're gonna run up there, grab the lug kit, and get right back to the barn. Little sneak peek, huh? Okay, I'm not gonna show you much more until they're all on, but yeah, right there. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Going from those to those. I cannot express how flippin' excited I am to get these on this truck. Holy smokes! Okay, so I'm going to drop the camera, not literally drop it because that's like throwing part of your career down the drain, but I'm going to be setting the camera down, getting the wheels and tires swapped out. Then when it's all done, it's gonna look nasty. It is going to look really good. So I am excited. The Nasty Red is finally going to actually look nasty and it's going to fit its name. So let's get to this and yeah, let's get this done. But let me show you first the lug nut issue that we had, which really isn't an issue, too much of an issue. It's just kind of like how it happens. But here are the lug nuts that I just went and picked up from it was Discount Tire, I believe it was. Yeah, they're 2-inch, 9/16 threaded pitch. And this is why I had to get these. Look how freaking huge the diameter, like surrounding the actual threads, is on these factory, you know, wheel nuts compared to this. Way smaller diameter to where it can actually fit. Let me show you. To where it can actually fit in there, if that makes sense. The factory ones, there's no way in the world those are going to fit in there. So trust me, I already tried. But I'm going to get these put on the truck, and when it's done, it's going to have a totally different look, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm looking at the Nasty Red right now, and that truck looks jacked. It looks so freaking mean. I told you guys it was going to be one of the sickest flatbed builds you've seen, and guys, it looks so good. It's still got a ways to go in terms of horsepower mods that are still going into it, you know, paint work, rust repair on just the rocker panels and fender and stuff. But guys, this truck looks so nasty. So I'm gonna show you the little montage around the truck right now. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this beast. Holy moly. Probably 50% tire poke in the front and of course in the rear. But the flatbed is a little bit wider than the factory bed was. Just a little bit with the rails. But the tires poke out right there with it on the bed. And they stick out almost half tire, 50% tire up front, which is just looks so mean on this thing. Holy smokes. And that exhaust tip happens to be placed just about perfect, actually. You can see, it doesn't stick up past the tire. It sticks it out about half to 3/4 way out with the tire. But it kind of, the corner of it kind of goes out with the bed. And wrap scoops over to the tire, like just about perfect poke out to where it's not in the way of anything. But guys, it looks so mean. I can't get enough of this right now. Wow. Yeah, and I just stuck the mirrors out for the video. That's all. These mirrors are always down for all you guys, the mirror police. But I put them up just for that little montage because I thought it looked kind of mean. Right now, I want to give a couple big shout outs to some people. You guys, the viewers. Massive thank you for everything you guys have done in terms of watching the content day after day, coming back. And it's sometimes tough to keep things exciting and entertaining for you guys, but I'm trying every day to try to get better with my content, better at what I do to keep things moving, growing, and excelling. Huge thanks to you guys for coming back day after day. Another huge thank you to Diesel Auto Power. They have been sticking along with us for about a month now, so it's been awesome being able to keep in touch with those guys over there. You got a question, you ask them, and they gladly get back to you and answer it. Always trying to take care of you guys in the best way possible. By the way, while we're talking about DAP, in case you guys are new, because there's gonna be a lot of new people come to videos when there's new wheels and tires on the truck. It's just kind of how it is. They're like exciting videos that people get focused in on and want to watch. But they provide all sorts of diesel truck performance parts and replacement parts for, 7.3s, 12 valves, 6.0s, Duramax stuff. I mean, a lot of Cummins stuff though. That's what I think they mostly specialize in, is Cummins stuff. Lots and lots of stuff, and their prices are very competitive. They really provide a really good value for the customer. So go check out their website. And their website is kind of in a building process, so I think they're revamping it or something. So if you don't see what you need online, give them a call. There's a lot of stuff that might not be up there right yet, but they do have tons and tons of stuff. Another big shout out is for the flatbed place, the place that did this flatbed. Fulling Camps, Frenchtown, Trailer Sales and Supply Co. There's a phone number right there. Those guys did a great job. One more thing I wanted to bring up to you guys, and it feels kind of funny bringing it up because it wasn't supposed to happen this way. The ATV topic, this is not really, like I said, it's not an ATV channel, so the content wasn't gonna be on here anyways, but the whole ATV deal is kind of sucked. I went through about a week and a half of calling banks, calling places, trying to get, you know, approved for a loan, a collateral loan with, you know, equity and stuff that I have, whether it be, you know, money, trucks, whatever the case may be. Just everything that I tried to do would not pan out. They say, we will not do it. We will not do it. You're self-employed and you're 18. Most 18-year-olds who are self-employed are probably not doing too well. So it just didn't really matter any way I went about it. It was just no. Kind of sucked. So that's really a letdown because my intentions were to get that thing. And even calling the lady, I was talking to her back, I'm like, there's gotta be something you can do. Like I told these guys this was gonna happen. I'm like, there's got to be something you can do. And they're just like, dude, you're 18. You don't have a bunch of financial history. In other words, I haven't ran my credit card enough. Unless you've built up credit for a course of at least 2 years, we can't approve you for anything, whether it be a collateral loan or anything. And it does not matter. It's like, we will not do it unless we have proof that you've basically ran your credit card for 2 years and you've had a good credit history and it's all paid off and stuff. So I was just like, yeah, pain in the butt. And I was talking to my dad, I'm like, this sucks because like, I'm like, everybody's gonna think, oh, you know, you weren't ever gonna really buy it. And I'm just like, this is gonna suck to tell these guys, like, cause that was the plan. But we have some good news. I know the ATV thing didn't go as planned. That sucks, and I really apologize. That was totally my plan and my intention, so don't think that it wasn't. Some other big news. Guys, 50K is coming up. Who remembers when I made this video, I think it was beginning of January, ways back, I said, right around the time we get about 50K, which is gonna be right around 1 full year on the channel, which is actually gonna be sooner than 1 full year on the channel. 1 full year on the channel is May 1st, okay? That's 1 full year of vlogging for you guys on the channel. Almost 300 videos on the channel so far. It'll be well over 300 by the time the full year comes around. Full year of vlogging on the channel, full year of you guys coming back and watching the videos day after day, and over 50,000 subscribers is gonna be the mark that we're probably gonna hit in like 2 weeks. And I told you guys I was gonna buy a giveaway truck. This is the good news. That is still gonna happen, okay? So I am on the hunt for a giveaway truck now because we're gonna pass 50K here in like 2 weeks, like I said. So that's super exciting. I really do apologize about the ATV thing. I'm going to make sure that I make it up to you guys in some way, in some form. So we're gonna be buying a giveaway truck soon. I kind of talked about that 2-wheel drive build just kind of like, as like a bonus build, but that truck actually sold the day I left. So I left, and later that day they say the guy came up to the lot and bought the truck right there on the spot. So I was like, oh, well, that sucks, because I went back and looked for it with, and I was thinking I was gonna, you know, buy it, but it was gone. I don't really need another build for myself. However, I do want to get the giveaway build and get that underway because we're gonna be passing 50K soon, and I told you that this summer we're giving away a truck. That's been my plan and my goal I kind of came up with a long time ago. I've also got another giveaway coming up very soon. I've got a bunch of merchandise I'm waiting on to come in. I'm talking keychains, more decals, new apparel, all kinds of stuff, and we're gonna be doing another giveaway. I'm not entirely sure all the details on how that giveaway is gonna work, but this one's going to be probably a cash giveaway. This is gonna be like a little bit bigger cash giveaway. That's gonna be coming up real soon too. What's some other stuff? Dually build. Just a quick little update. The dually build should be starting very soon. I just got off the phone with DAP not too long ago. I'm trying to go through a build plan and some different things and, you know, other odds and ends of things that, you know, we got to work out to get that build going. So that's exciting stuff. That's going to be taking off really soon here. Apologize for the ATV thing. It kind of sucks because I did put a down payment on it. I just told them, I was like, you know what, you guys went through all kinds of crap trying to get this thing approved, and it never worked. But you tried, I'm like, you can just keep my down payment, you know, like whatever. It's not worth the hassle of me trying to get it back from them. So I was like, you guys just keep the down payment. Sorry, it didn't work out. Whatever. Big giveaway truck. Gonna be purchasing that very soon. Dually build launching very soon. Nasty Red has new wheels and tires. Lots of stuff coming up for Nasty Red as well too. We still got a bunch of stuff here, right here. We got to get installed on this truck as well. So that's all gonna be happening very shortly. Lots of busy weeks coming up, and could not be more excited. You guys are absolutely awesome. I love you guys so much. All the support is absolutely killer. I want to keep trying to produce the best content that I possibly can for you guys to keep you guys entertained watching the content and make sure you guys are feeling more like a family and a team and not just objects watching my videos, okay? So you guys are family to me, your team. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like the stance. I know I do. So if you did enjoy this, share it with a friend. Leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Well, I've been doing things that they told me I could never do now. I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out. I told told them it's my turn now. They in the club and I'm in the studio, guess they gonna learn now. Told myself I want it all, gotta get it all, never gonna burn out.